Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to send email to anyone on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go to the App Store and in the search bar type Gmail. Wait a little bit, and once you see the Gmail app, simply tap on it. Here you can see the update option. If you want to update the app, you can simply tap on update and the app will be updated to the latest version. And now if you have updated the Gmail app, what you need to do is simply tap on the Gmail app. Here you can see the compose option, simply tap on it. Here you need, in the to section, you need to type the person's email. So for example, I will type a random email. The from section, you need to type your own email, and in the subject you can write the title, and in the compose email section you can just type the email, and once you are done you can simply tap on send in the top right corner of the screen. So as you can see, the email has been sent. Let's go and check it. Now in the send section you can see that the email has been sent. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.